demonstration is actually showing the ability for a user to cast his own video content to a TV using Eutelsat Hotbird TVRO satellite. This is actually a world premiere of Airmont together with Eutelsat support. And the way the user will experience the solution is straightforward. He's coming on the yacht and he connects to the Wi-Fi of the yacht. He has his own application, let's say here Netflix. He is able to select the cast icon and select Airmont-Cast in order to indicate to the TV on board to capture the compressed stream. Once it's done, then it's possible to play the content that will then be displayed on the TV in a highly compressed manner. The beauty of it is that it makes use of a TVRO antenna. That means there is no return internet required. It can use the TV receive-only antenna as is. Now this quality is at 1 megabit per second, and it is possible to change the bandwidth to different qualities. Here we are at 1 megabit per second, and it maintains a very high quality, but it can go down to 700 kilobits per second, for instance, while maintaining again a good quality, and it can go even lower. Here it's switching to a 700 kilobit per second maximum IP connection, and the quality maintains in a spectacular manner.